Hello guys and welcome back. So today is another Temu video. Oh my gosh, yes. This is probably my fifth, maybe, Temu video. This video is not sponsored first and foremost. They have reached out to me numerous times and I just have not responded. There's just something about this company that doesn't sit totally right with me, so that's why I haven't worked with them, but I love the products. You cannot beat these prices. I am sorry. I have no idea what's in this bag. I forgot what I ordered. I remember a couple items. But yeah, I wanted to open it on camera. I just got this off my porch and I do remember ordering something breakable and I don't know how the heck it's in here. And I thought I got like multiples of them, so I'm really curious to see. Maybe it only came with one. I really don't know. The thing with Temu is you really kind of never know what you're gonna get. You can read the reviews, but if there's no pictures or reviews, then you really don't know. But the products are so cheap that it's like, if it doesn't work out, it's not a huge deal. I will try to link some of the products. They have a new affiliate thing where you can kind of like link some products. So it's easier for you guys to find. So I will do my best and I will put up on the screen what I paid for it, these items, and yeah, let's just dig into it. Yeah, the guy that dropped it off just pretty much threw it on my porch, so hopefully there's not glass in here. By the way, I'm wearing my Temu foundation and I actually really like it. I adjusted the brightness on my camera. I don't know what was going on, but hopefully this is okay. Hopefully I'm not blurry. Hopefully this is good. It's like Christmas. The first thing, yes, I do remember these. So I was kind of going on a kick of like ordering stuff for outside, like for my porch, or we've got like a little walkway up to our house, and I try to plant flowers out there, and we live out in Arizona. And if you guys know, the whole month of July, it was over 110 degrees. Yeah, so nothing survives out here. So I got some fake flowers. Actually looked really cool. They looked kind of realistic. 2 little bundles here, and oh my gosh, these are actually really cute. I mean, okay, so there's 2 bundles there. Yeah, so 4 bundles. Holy moly, these are actually really cute. So I'll probably just kind of bunch them all together and put this pack together, and then I think I ordered a couple other colors. These are actually really pretty. I'm impressed. We'll do a close-up for you guys. They're so pretty. They have like nice detail on them, and from far away I don't think you're really gonna be able to tell that these are fake. These are so cute. So far this is a win. Oh yeah, so this is what prompted my order. I ordered this first and then everything else went with it. This is a portable oral irrigator. It's a water pick irrigator, huh? And I don't know why, but this just looked so cool. Ooh, I don't know about that color. That is not gold. I mean, that is very much brass, but that's okay. But I liked this one because the other one I have, you have to plug in first of all, and it's just so bulky, and I liked this one, how it's just kind of sleek and like you can set it like in this corner of your vanity and it's not very noticeable. This is really cute. So yeah, it has a little, okay, you can charge it. So you just plug it in here plug it into, it's got a USB here. So you can just plug it into, you know what I'm trying to say. So it comes with that. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so excited to try this. And it comes with 4 different attachments. It's got these 4 little attachments. I don't know, maybe that's like a tongue scraper. This is the one that I'll probably use the most, or this one maybe, I don't know. This one maybe is just like a finer little tip. And then this one, I don't know if you can like brush your teeth with that or what they're trying to, I don't know. Just fill the water and it tells you there's like the highest water level, fill that. And then just kind of close it. And then this bad boy goes in like that. And then it says standard, strengthen, and dot spray. Okay, well, I'm excited. I wonder if it is charged at all. Okay, so it is. I kind of want to try it. So fill it and turn it on. Okay, that's like a pretty intense sprayer. Oh my gosh, it's spraying the camera. Oh my gosh, look at my mirror. Okay. Okay, so you turn it, you hold this down. Turn off. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Okay, I'm dying right now. My bathroom is soaked right now. This thing definitely works. So yeah. Oh my gosh, look at how much water I used. So you probably used like the whole thing just from doing your mouth once. Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm excited to give this a try. It definitely works. I'm a little nervous. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't hurt my teeth. All right, here are some more flowers. I know it's kind of boring. I think this is the same, it's the same flowers, just a different color. So yeah, these are the same exact thing, just like a little bit lighter pink. I cannot wait to get these outside and see how they look. They are so pretty. They're so cute. I love these. Oh my gosh, these are so much smaller than I was expecting. These are little outdoor lights. Oh, they're solar? Hold on, I need to look at my orders because I don't remember ordering those. These are a set of 16.4 feet, 30 LEDs, crystal ball string light, clear crystal ball bright, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and they're solar. These might be a little too small to put them where I wanted them, but I'm gonna find somewhere else. Maybe I'll hang them like on my porch. So this is so cool. It's got the little solar panel here, and then it's got this, so this can go in the ground, and then you attach the little solar panel, and then you can hang them. And you can hang them. Oh, I might have to glue that. Yeah, that thing is not gonna stay on. So do these just like, okay, here's a power on and off. Oh, they kind of work. Barely. Ooh, I wonder if this light will, whoops. Ooh, they're pretty. They're so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, I am super excited about these, but I really don't know where I'm gonna put them because my original plan, it's not gonna work. But yeah, these are really cute, so I'm excited about these. Oh my gosh, this ball keeps falling off. All right, what do we got next? Oh, this is so small. So much smaller than I was. So if you find something on TEMU and there's a small or a large, get the large. This is the small, and what it is, I wanted to make little like muffin something or other for my daughter in the air fryer. And oh my gosh, this is so tiny. Like, look at how tiny this is. But it's silicone, and yeah, it just says create delicious treats with ease using our 7-cavity round silicone air fryer muffin pan. And like, when in the picture, look how big it looks in the picture. Like in the air fryer, yeah, it does not look like that in real life. So I mean, it should be good for little like bite-sized for us, or little like muffins for the baby. This will actually be a perfect size, but yeah, I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but for the price, you can't beat it. Okay, so this is the top of one of the things I was talking about. I got like a solar mason jar, and I wonder if it doesn't even come with the mason jars and it only comes with the lids. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me right now? That's all that is one lid? Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, wait a minute. Let's go back to this guy. One piece. Okay, yeah. So I paid $3.59 for a lid. Are you joking right now? 3 color, 1 size. Okay, charging jar lid, 20 LED waterproof firefly. Okay, I guess when I thought 20, I was thinking like, I don't know what the heck I was thinking, but I would not have paid $3.59 for this. I don't even know if I have a mason jar for this to work on. Everything else you order is like such a good price. Like 1 piece, this should be like $1. Okay, I'm not happy with this purchase, but okay. This is what the lights look like at night, and I think that they actually turned out really, really cute. So I take back everything I said earlier. So, all right, going back to the air fryer. This looks like a decent size. Okay, so this is just a little silicone little guy that you put in your air fryer, and what I'm gonna use it for is like if I'm making chicken nuggets and fries or something, maybe I'll just put the fries in here so that they can stay separate. But it's just a little silicone mat that can go in there, easy cleanup, and this is actually a good size. This is about the size I was expecting, so I'm okay with this one. All right, the last 2 things I got, this is like a little desk organizer that I got for my daughter, and I thought this was really cute. She loves blue, and it's just got little drawers that pull out like that, and then you could put like little post-it notes here if you want to paper or whatever, and then you could put pens and whatnot in here, and actually you could even use this for makeup. Like you could do makeup brushes and like a little palette and then random stuff in here. So I thought this was really cute. I've come to learn that stuff on Temu is smaller than it appears. Don't ever expect to get something like normal sized. It's probably gonna be mini sized. All right, the last thing I got is another makeup product. And if you guys have not seen my makeup video, you should go check it out. Like I said, I'm wearing the foundation and I actually really like it. Okay, so this is an eyebrow pencil, fine light eyebrow pencil. So it's got a spoolie. And then just, oh, it's actually a really nice tip. It's got like the kind of a teardrop tip. I actually really like these. Let's see. Ooh, it's really light. I don't know, we'll see. It's a little bit light for me. My eyebrows are pretty dark, so I don't know if that's gonna work, but we will definitely try it out. I think I got it in the color dark brown, so kind of surprised that it's as light as it is, but you can't beat these prices. Everything I got here was like 40 bucks, and the flowers alone anywhere else would have been like, I mean, those could have been like 20 bucks. As far as the water pick, this is probably my favorite purchase on this one. I hope you guys got a kick out of that because I sure did. But yeah, that is my latest Temu haul. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like Temu products? Are you skeptical? I'm a little skeptical, but I do really like the products. Don't forget to check out my other Temu videos. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you here, and we will see you on my next video. Bye. I'm not impressed. Did you see that? They're really pretty.